What's going on YouTube? Today I'm about to show you guys how to clean the throttle body on a 2011 Ford Escape. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is get a screwdriver, and then you're gonna come here and unscrew the clamp. Okay, unscrew the clamp. Once you've unscrewed the clamp, you're gonna take a plier and squeeze it right here, right? And then you remove the vacuum hose. Put that to the side. Once you get the clamp and then the vacuum hose loose and out, pull it out. So now you can have access to the throttle body. As you guys can see, mine has some carbon buildup. It's pretty dirty, and I have a throttle body and air intake cleaner. So I'm about to go and spray some in there. All right. Okay, spray it very well. This is an electrical throttle. If it was the manual one, I would have been able to turn it and then get access to the inside, but it's all good. Mine is not that much dirty, but once you're done spraying the throttle, you're gonna get a rag. You're gonna stick the rag in there, and then you're gonna let it air dry for 15-20 minutes.